Hey yo, what's up mga friendship? This is Arinomel Pam Vlog. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, meron po tayong i-unbox. Ayan. So, meron po akong in-order online. Ito siya.
Baliktad.
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 Baliktad. Excited lang po. Ayan, so samahan nyo ako Gusto natin to. Hey. So, ayan mga friendship. Buksan na natin. Ang in-order ko na to is makakatulong to sa vlogging ko. Ayan, so in-order ko to online. Buksan natin. Kailangan lang natin ang scissor. Madaling buksan. Ayan. Sa pusang stabilizer. Ayan o. 3-axis handheld gimbal for smartphone. Okay. Saan na natin? Hindi ko na po sasabihin yung price kasi murahin na naman. Hindi natin na pwedeng mahal. Manual. Ito ay manual. O, diba? Daling dindihin. Wow! So, ito yung cord niya for charging. Ayan siya. USB type. At siya mga friendship.
Gusto na video. Hindi makita.
Ayan o. Ayan. Magagamit natin siya for vlogging. Lalo na sa mga basketball games. So kahit galaw siya ng galaw, pantay pa rin yung kuha niya sa cellphone. So yung mga options niya hindi pa natin alam. So alamin natin pagka nagamit na natin. Pwede rin siya pang motovlogging. Habang motor ka, nag-drive, hawak mo. Hindi, yung backlight mo. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo paano gamitin So, ayan, low bat na siya. So, pinag ko muna habang ginagamit ko. Pwede naman. Nga pala, bago nyo i-turn on tong gimbal,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so
Okay lang,
descriptive
mga
like an
pwede.
adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
You, mga
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A